Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by confirming your Chromebook supports Android apps and Play Store. Open Settings and click About Chrome OS to check the version number. Your Chromebook must run Chrome OS 53 or later to support Play Store and Android apps. Check the model against Google's supported devices list if unsure. If you use a school or work account, confirm that the device is not managed and that the administrator allows Play Store access. Sign into your personal Google account if management blocks the feature. Now enable the Play Store in your Chromebook settings so you can install apps. Open Settings, then click Apps to find Google Play Store options and Android settings. If you see an option labeled Turn On, click it and agree to the Google Play Terms of Service. The system will set up Google Play services and link to your Google account for app downloads. You may need to restart the Chromebook after enabling Play Store to finish the installation and updates. With Play Store enabled, open the Play Store app from the launcher to find apps. Use the search bar to locate apps and click Install to add them to your Chromebook. Manage app permissions in Settings under Apps and Notifications to control camera, microphone, and storage access. Keep apps updated via Play Store to maintain security and performance. If an app misbehaves, right-click its launcher icon and choose Uninstall to remove it safely from your Chromebook.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.